Hello everyone, and welcome. In this demo, I am going to show you how to bulk update students in openSIS. In Bulk Update, from the side navigation menu, navigate to Tools. This will open the Tools page, where we can access various utilities available within openSIS, including data interchange, end-of-year processing, system log tools, and developer tools. Under the Data Interchange section, click on Student Bulk Data Import or Update. This page allows administrators to either import new student records in bulk or update information for existing students using a spreadsheet file. For this demonstration, we will learn how to bulk update existing student records in the system. Click on Update. This opens the Update Existing Student Records page. Here, we can see the complete bulk update process explained in 5 simple steps. Let us go through each step one by one. In Step 1, click on Download the current list of students in Excel. This downloads the existing student list that will be used for updating student information within the system. After downloading the list, open the file. If prompted, click on Enable Editing. The system automatically adds an internal GUID column. Do not delete or modify this column. This GUID acts as a unique identifier for each student record and helps the system accurately match the spreadsheet data with the corresponding student profile during the update process. We can now see a spreadsheet containing the existing student information currently stored in the system. Next, update the required student details in their respective columns, such as student name, demographic information, contact details, enrollment information, or any other fields that need modification. For example, let's update the name and role no of Caroline Aaron and change the student ID of Jensen Ackles and Sean Ackles. After making the required changes, save the file from the File menu. Now return to the openSIS portal. In Step 2, click on Upload your file. Please note that the supported file formats are XLS, XLSX, and CSV. Click on the Upload area and select the file that was saved in the previous step. Once the file has been uploaded successfully, proceed to Step 3. Here, we have the mapping function. This step is used to create a one-to-one relationship between the columns in the spreadsheet and the corresponding fields in the openSIS database. In most cases, the mapping is completed automatically using the default settings. However, administrators can review the mappings and select the appropriate database field from the right column if any adjustments are required. After verifying the mappings, click on Map It. If any changes are required later, click on Change Mapping, make the necessary modifications, and then click Map It again. Once the mapping has been completed successfully, click on Update Students. When the process is completed successfully, a confirmation message displaying Data Update Completed will appear. Now, let us verify that the student records have been updated successfully. Navigate to the Students module. Then click on Student Information. Here, we can view the student list and verify that the selected student records have been updated successfully with the new information provided in the spreadsheet. First, let's go to the profile of Caroline Aaron. Here we can see her middle name, James, has been added to her profile and role no updated to 123. Then we can see the updated student IDs, DT101 and DT102 of Jensen Ackles and Sean Ackles. This completes the process of bulk updating existing student records in openSIS. Thank you for watching.